Today we're gonna be rolling to Seagoville, Texas, to a client that was actually my first client that I had the day I quit my job, like motherfucking 6 years ago. We're gonna be working on his, I wanna say he got like a little Ford Fiesta or Ford Focus, one of the two. And it was having an issue to where every time you fill up your tank, it kind of shuts off. Some weird ass shit Ford does. So I sent him a part to get ordered because I knew exactly what the issue was, and I'm heading there to install it. All that traffic, y'all can have that. Y'all can have that. We actually got a couple other appointments today too. I know I gotta work on a Hyundai Sonata, maybe like a 2013. I gotta replace the alternator on it, and then I got a car in Fort Worth, and it's having like some weird issue. It's a ES300 Lexus, so I'm gonna try to figure that one out. It's supposed to be like 108 today. That's why I'm wearing white, you know. Seagoville is definitely one of them areas that's growing. It's gonna have a huge population growth pretty soon. They've been building a lot of houses out this way. You can probably get a lot more for your money out here too. It's just too far. How you doing, good sir? All that's new. All this is new. This used to be nothing but field the first time I came here, about 5 years ago. They even have new streets behind the street that I'm heading to.
Boy, that shit in the refrigerator.
For sure. They say it's supposed to be like 108 today or something like that.
About like that yesterday.
Yeah, I've been out here every day.
Yeah, man.
Just getting it.
Like I say, whatever you want to drink, man, shit, you know you welcome to it.
Okay, appreciate it. Everything been good with you?
Nah, man, everything good.
Word.
Yeah, I ain't got no problem.
Word. There we go.
This part right here.
Okay. Okay. Let's see.
If you need anything, knock on the door.
Okay, I'm gonna check everything else out on it too.
Appreciate it, bro.
No problem. We'll be checking this out. This John right here. Look at that. What I was talking about, some kind of part, not really sure of the name of it. Looked like some kind of vacuum vent hose for the fuel pump. It has an electrical connector to it. To get to it, you have to remove this little intake right here, and it's going to be right there. Got the first side out. Make it easier if you want. You could just pick out the tabs and pull it right out. You ain't gotta worry about squeezing because it's kind of a tight space, especially if you got some gloves protecting you from that heat of the engine. And the other side is right, follow that line, this one right here. There we go. That's simple. All right, put this one in back how I go. Make sure all the connections are on there solid. If it went through a certain way, through like a wire, it's probably a reason, you know. All right, got that line in there. Got that connector connected. Another side right there. These plastic lines might be real brittle too, so be careful with them. Just something like that. All right, now we're leaving Seagoville and heading to South Dallas to work on replacing an alternator on a Hyundai Sonata. It's a bumpy road too. Ah, damn.